welcome back to my video. My name is Shayla Jai for those that are new here. Today I'm going to be talking about what I packed in my makeup bag for my trip. I am leaving on Friday for California to visit my family and friends. I'm so excited, and I know I'm going to be filming out there, so I definitely I definitely filled up this bag. This is a lot better than what I normally do. I usually would take about 3 to 4 bags, but the bags are like smaller, and then I would have some stuff off to the side, but now that I can fit everything in one bag, that is amazing, and I really do love it. So I'm going to show you guys what I packed that I think that would be good for like travels and stuff like that. So if you want to know what I packed in my makeup bag, just keep on watching. This is a large makeup bag, so I got that filled. I'm going to start off, I am bringing my Brazilian Bum Bum cream because I really do love it. I love it. And yeah, so I'm just going to bring that, just toss that in the bag. As you can see, it is filled with stuff. It is all filled up. And I tried to take the minimum, like the minimal amount, so I'm not cramming and overloading my bag. Also, I know I'm going to be buying stuff while I'm there, so yeah. Okay, so the first thing I see, like it's an unboxing. I am bringing my lashes. I just brought back up some extra pairs. They're the lashes that I'm wearing now, so I think that's really good. Deodorant. I wear Degree. So, Vaseline, a little thing of Vaseline. Let's see. I am bringing the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I am bringing this because it's just so like small and compact, and yeah, that's pretty much the only reason why. Obviously in my Anastasia, I never go anywhere without this, so had to bring it. I'm bringing it. This one is the Too Faced Banana Brightening Powder. I've been using it recently and I've been really liking it, so I really want to take this with me to give me more of brighten effect. So what else we got? Oh, sunscreen lotion in a nice little bottle. My primer, my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas primer. I was gonna go with my e.l.f. one, but this one is this one is obviously mini travel size, mini size, whatever. It's just nice and small, and that's why I'm bringing it. Alright. So, and then I have just a little shaver. A little like face shaver. So I am bringing my Pixi Glow, Pixi Glow Mist. My Pixi Glow Mist is just because it will give me that nice glow, and it is 2.7 ounces. So yeah, so I'm definitely bringing that. Oh, and also with that, the sunscreen, my makeup setting spray with sunscreen in it, so I'm bringing that as well. What else? Okay, so the Smashbox, the Cali Contour Smashbox, this is perfect for travel, and it has a nice mirror, so this is what I'm bringing. Yeah, so I'm bringing that. Oh, my foundation. I mix these two up, and this is what I wear all the time. This is what I'm currently wearing. I have a couple foundation sticks, but they're a little lighter. So yeah, I got a little tan, just a little bit. But these are what I'm wearing. So yeah, I mean, it's my shade. Alright, and then makeup remover wipes. Let me see what else. And then the tube. So the palette I'm bringing my Natasha Denona Sunset. Is it Sunrise? The Sunrise palette. Perfect. I am bringing the Tartelette Toasted palette. This one just has a lot of like neutrals and peachy shades that I wear a lot, especially in the summertime. So I thought that would be perfect, and it's kind of sleeked and just fits in there very nicely. So that is, oh, and then I do have this little mini bag inside, which has, so I open it up in here, which has, I have like hair ties, I have different color like lipsticks, I have concealer, my eyebrows, the Anastasia pomade, you know, my stuff for my contour cream, lip glosses, and that's all that that's all that I have in this little thing. But yeah, so, and as you can see, that is everything I packed in my makeup bag. Oh, apart from the brushes. So yeah, so my brushes. So apart from my brushes, you know, my toothbrush, toothpaste, and my perfume, apart from those, this is everything that I am bringing with me as far as like makeup wise, because I don't want to bring too much stuff, because I knew that I was planning on buying stuff there, so yeah, which I think is not that bad. I definitely could have added a lot more stuff to my but just knowing that I was having intentions to buy more, or I don't know, not necessarily makeup, but just anything, I knew I was gonna buy like stuff while I'm there, so I just wanted to make a little extra room. So this is pretty much all that I'm bringing as far as like makeup and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, and my Tatcha straightener. My Tatcha straightener. So yeah, that is everything that's inside my makeup bag here. So that's the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, I did do like a little mini video or a mini tutorial on my Instagram page. So if you want to go follow me there, you'll see a lot more makeup looks from me. So yeah.